Okay everyone, so let's begin by meeting in a child's pose. So we can come down to our mats, bring the toes together, open the knees nice and wide, and then just curl the fingers forwards, let the forehead and the chest melt down towards the earth. Maybe close your eyes here and just take 3 deep breaths. Breathe in through the nose and maybe out through the mouth. In through the nose, out through the mouth. One more time, breathing into your upper back, and then exhaling completely. Good, let's send our gaze forwards. Bring your fingertips onto the floor so that the elbows are lifted, and go ahead and walk the hands over to the right side of your mat. Drop the chest down so that we feel a deeper stretch through the left side body. Good, and then walk back through center and take it over towards the left. Again, dropping the chest, dropping the forehead, stretching the right hand side. And then coming back through center and weaving your spine forwards into your tabletop. So on the hands and the knees. And as we inhale, we drop the belly, point the tailbone up, gaze forwards. Exhale as we tuck the chin to the chest and round the spine. Inhale as we roll forwards. Exhale to roll it under. So just rolling through a few cat-cows here as we connect our body to our breath. Good, let's take one more round here. Inhale and exhale. And then come back in to center, sit the bum back to the heels and bring yourself to seated. Good, take the chin in towards the chest and just maybe find a few little half or maybe full neck circles here. Just relaxing those shoulders, letting that head hang nice and heavy. Just rolling away any tension from the neck and from the upper back. Good, and then eventually come in to center. Nice. From here, we're going to lift ourselves up onto our knees so that our knees are underneath of our hips. Hands come to the hips, and we're going to step the right leg out to the side. So we want that right heel in line with the right knee. The toes are pointing out to the side. And we're going to inhale as we lift the arms up to shoulder height. Gaze over the right fingers. And exhale as we take a little grounded warrior two pose here. Just rolling the shoulders back, feeling that stretch through your hip. Good, one more inhale. And exhale. Gonna drop the right elbow to the right knee and lift that left arm all the way up and over. Just extending out through the left hand side of your body. Find a breath. Good, and then return yourself back through center. Bring your hands back towards your hips. And we're going to walk the right toes all the way to the top of your mat. Go ahead and sit down nice and low with your hips finding your low lunge. Maybe we lift the fingertips up to the sky, bring the palms together and find a little back bend here. Keep breathing. Good, and then exhale, dive the hands forwards, tuck the back toes under lift the back knee and find your plank pose. The core is engaged, the hands are pressing the mat away. Take a full breath in and a full breath out. On your next inhale, lift those hips up and back to a downward facing dog. And maybe we take a second to pedal out those feet. Maybe we just walk it out here. Maybe it feels good to bring a little twist into the hips. Good, and then eventually come back into stillness. Go ahead and with your left hand, take hold of the side of your right leg. Looking up over the right armpit here, just welcoming in this twist. Take a full breath. And then release to center. Good, right hand reaches to the outside of the left leg. We twist it under, we look up over that left armpit. Take a breath. And then back through center. Deep bend through the knees and take as many steps as you need all the way to the top of your mat. Find your forward folds. Maybe holding opposite elbows and finding a little sway from side to side. Good, and then come back through center, releasing the elbows and roll yourself all the way up, coming into standing at the top of our mats. Good, just taking a few big rolls through the shoulders, up and back. Good, and then on your next inhale, reach those hands all the way up to the sky, bring the palms together, look up. Take a deep breath in. And then as we exhale, bring the hands through center, deep bend through the knees, forward folds. Inhale to find your halfway lift. So we straighten those legs, we gaze forwards, shoulders back. Exhale as we bend the knees, plant the hands to the floor and step both feet back into your plank. Just holding it here for a short breath before we drop the knees and take a child's pose. The bum comes back towards the heels. We take the forehead down, we take a breath. Just noticing your body, noticing how you're feeling, maybe noticing a little rush of energy. Good, and then slowly bring yourself all the way back into this seated position. We're going to lift ourselves up onto our knees. We're going to take the left leg out to the side. We've got that left heel in line with the right knee. Toes are open out to the side. And as we inhale, lift the hands up to shoulder height. Gaze out over the left fingertips. And exhale, maybe we go a little bit lower. Finding this grounded warrior two. We take a breath. And if we want to go a little bit deeper, that left hand or elbow comes to the knee as we reach the right arm up and over. Creating as much length as we can through the right side body. Good, full deep breath, slow it down. And then release and come back in to center. Good, we can send the gaze forwards, we can bring the hands back to the hips for a little bit of support, and then walk that left foot all the way to the top of your mat. Send your hips forwards and down, find your low lunge. Maybe inhale as we lift the hands up, bring the palms together and lean back. We're shining our heart up to the sky. Deep breath in Full breath out. And then dive the hands forwards, tuck the back toes under, lift the knee and find your plank. Take a full breath in, take a full breath out, and then inhale to lift those hips up and back for a downward facing dog. And maybe we pedal out the feet, or maybe we keep it still here. But let's take 3 deep breaths. No rush. No forcing the breath. Good. And then when we're ready, we step those feet about hip distance apart, maybe a little bit wider. Take a bend through the knees if we need to, and walk the hands back towards your feet. Slowly roll yourself all the way up into standing. Take one final breath in at the top as we reach the hands up, and exhale your hands to your heart. And if it feels good, you can close the eyes here and just connect to the breath. Maybe connect to a little intention for your day. If it feels better, you might bring yourself to the floor and maybe move into a quick meditation or shavasana. Or if you want to get on with the rest of your day, we can open up our eyes. And namaste, everyone. Thank you so much for this super quick full body stretch. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a like, or even better, please give it a little hype. Let me know in the comments how you're feeling, or any other suggestions that you may have. And I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Namaste.